Welcome to the Made It Recipe app for taking your favorite recipes from online right to your kitchen. In the app, there are 4 free basic components: See It, Need It, Got It, and Made It. Starting with the See It component, on the Recipes tab, you can upload your own recipes easily by pasting the URL, scanning the cookbook, or creating your own. Let's try it. And now we see that it's keeping us notified and engaged as it uploads their recipe. And there's our sausage and egg casserole. And we can go into the recipe. We can see the source as well as any ingredients that are necessary and any instructions that we need to follow to make the recipe. Now we go to the Needed tab where we can see exactly what we need for our recipes. The user interface is really simple. It's structured like a grocery list. You can check it off easily. You also can look and order exactly what you need through Instacart or Amazon Fresh right to your door. Another feature here is adding anything to your list in the left corner. Let's try to add some eggs. We'll add 12. And you can pick the unit, pounds, ounces, etc. But we won't pick a unit here. And we see our 12 eggs uploaded. That simple. And now we'll go to the Got It tab to see exactly what we have in our kitchen. You can scan your shelf, scan the barcode of an item, or add manually. So let me go to my kitchen and try to scan an item. We can pull up our camera and take a quick photo. Let's try some eggs. Take a picture of these brown eggs, and the AI will analyze the image. And just like that, our eggs can get added to our Got It list. And now we go to the Made It tab where we can see all the recipes we've ever made. To actually get recipes here, though, we have to go back to the original tab. Let's try our sausage and egg casserole. We can click on the recipe and go all the way to the bottom to the colorful Made It button. We can add a photo or we can add one later. Let's add one later. We can also rate how it was for us and put any notes. And we'll talk about how we really loved it because this was an awesome recipe. And now we can see the recipe marked as made, and we can go back to the Made It tab and see it in our list right there, the sausage and egg casserole. And for the monetization, we can go to the Planet tab where we can actually see that we can use AI for weekly meal planning, smart recipe suggestions, and auto grocery shopping lists. And we can see our paywall here, where you can pay an annual or a monthly fee for the advanced features. We hope Eaton and home cooks everywhere can say they took an online recipe and made it real.